What's up guys, it's Bear here at Morimoto Lighting, and today we're going to do some headlight installs for your 2019 and up Ram. If you're rocking those old halogen stock headlights that are extremely dim, well, we have the Morimoto Hybrids that is the perfect price point with also the perfect premium quality headlight for your Ram. So before we get into the install, let's tell you what these headlights are all about. The hybrids have a powerful wide and bright LED low beam projector and a dedicated LED high beam projector. It uses the original halogen turn signal bulb but can be easily upgraded to an LED. Made of OEM grade housing and finished in a nice gloss graphite, giving it a clean modern look. They are a fully plug-and-play system, making the install nice and easy. They may not be a full LED system, but they have a great look and will most definitely make driving at dark a pleasure. The way we do our testing to find out how bright or how dim a headlight is by using a digital lux meter. This measures actual usable brightness at a certain point. This is way better than measuring lumens when comparing headlights. At 25 feet from the wall, we've measured the stock halogen lights. The low beam came in at 270 maximum lux. Use this number as the benchmark to compare the hybrid headlights. With the Morimoto Hybrid low beams, they came in at 830 maximum lux, which is 270% brighter than your stock halogens, which is insane. It has that nice crisp cut-up line with that modern white look compared to your stock halogens. And with your stock halogen high beams, they came in at 490 maximum lux. Whereas the Morimoto Hybrids on high beams, they came in at 2,300 maximum lux, which is a 369% difference between the two, which is insane as well. You get that light output with that nice, clean, modern look as well. So enough of talking, let's get straight into the install. All right, so for this install, these will be the tools that you'll be using. A flashlight, a ratchet of your choice, a Phillips screwdriver, a wedge tool, pliers, an 8mm, 10mm, and then plastic tools to help with clips. So first thing, go ahead and get the hood pop. Take a wedge tool and remove the 12 plastic push tabs that are located on the top of your grill. With those out of the way, you now can remove the radiator cover. Just pull up, push back, and then fold in the two side corners of it to release it from the inner fenders. Once that's done, just set it aside. Next, we're going to remove the plastic trim piece that is on top of the grill. There will be 8 10mm bolts and 2 plastic push clips you will need to remove. Once those are removed, you can just pull it up, straight out, and set it aside. Next step, we're going to remove the 4 8mm bolts running along your inner fender. Once those are removed, just pull the liner down and away from the fender. With that out of the way, you now have access to this 10mm bolt that you will be removing. After you have that removed, there will be a small little lip on the lower clip. Just pull down on it and pull out, and it will release it from the fender. Just be careful when removing this piece to not break any of the plastic clips that are closer to the grill, because it is a snug fit. Now it's time to remove the grill. There are 3 bolts on each side of the grill and 4 on the top. With all those removed, just pull up on these 2 tabs and then pull the grill backwards to remove it and set it aside. Now let's move to the headlights. Remove the plastic push tab and screw on the top and 1 bolt on the side. When removing the bottom bolt, make sure you have a firm grip on the headlight so it does not fall out. Now you can slowly pull out your headlight and reach around, disconnecting the two connectors. And just do the same exact steps to the other side. With the headlight out now, we must remove the OEM brackets and place it onto your new Morimoto headlight. You'll be using a Phillips to remove the 3 screws from the bottom and 2 screws on the side of the housing. And then line it up onto your Morimoto headlight using the same hardware and tighten them down. Then flip the headlight and remove the smaller bracket using the same Phillips to remove these 3 screws. Just place that bracket onto your new housings like they were on your OEM headlight, and then tighten them down to ensure a great fit once installed. Also, make sure to transfer the turn signal bulb from your factory headlight to your new Morimoto hybrid headlight. Just twist and pull. You also have the option in upgrading this to a Morimoto LED bulb if you would like. Now it's time to install the DRL harness. Go ahead and remove the fuse box lid and locate fuse slot 38. Just remove the 10 amp fuse and replace it with our Morimoto fuse tap. Once that is done, just place the fuse lid back on and start running the shorter lead to the driver's side and run the longer lead alongside the OEM harness over to the passenger side. Now go ahead and grab your headlight and start plugging in all the connectors and making sure they are nice and secured. Once that is done, you can go ahead and place both your headlights in securely and test out all the functions before buttoning everything back up. With everything working properly, go ahead and secure any loose wiring and tighten down all bolts, and then you're good to go. All right guys, as easy as that, your Morimoto hybrid headlights are installed. Make sure to go check out all the other products that we have in store for your Ram, such as the 4-banger fog light replacements, interior lights, tail lights, and much, much more. All you have to do is put in your year, make, and model on our website, and we'll catch you guys over there.